This is a 2007 Audi A4. We'll be replacing the Evap Purge Solenoid. So the Vapor Purge Solenoid will be located on the left side of the engine, aka the driver's side right here. We're going to unplug it here, as well as remove these two hose clamps, just using a flathead, getting under these and prying them off, and then removing this part here from the two hoses. Once we remove that, we can go ahead and replace it. So we have our old Vapor canister Purge Solenoid removed here. As you can see, it's just pretty much once you break those hose clamps, just twist it and pull it off after unplugging that, and this just comes right off the bracket. So I went ahead and got the new one installed already. Switched out those clamps for some belt clamps until we broke them off. Put those on, tighten it up, plugged her up, put it back in. So now we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Now we gotta check the clear the check engine code, and we're done. So please like and subscribe. More videos to come.